All right, let's do a quick bike check here. Riding the Trek 830 Mountain Track XC. This is an 18-inch frame, medium frame. This is definitely what fits me the best. Currently running a 1x7. Got a narrow wide in front, buckless crank. Do have a sealed square taper bottom bracket on there. On the back we're running an 8x30, excuse me, an 11x28 cassette. Got a Shimano Altuus rear derailleur. I believe that's the same one that came with this bike. The front crank that came with this was a 3x, but it was a crappy group set. Had a lot of wear on it. It was riveted together, so I definitely didn't want that. Plus I gotta have my narrow wide. I got some off-brand alloy pedals that I got from a donor bike. Running the Maxxis gravel tires, 26 by 2.1. This frame is also made in the USA. I'm not sure exactly what year this is. I would guess late 80s, maybe early 90s. I believe the wheel set is also original. Got Shimano hubs. Did come with cantilever brakes, which I removed. I'm more of a V-brake guy. They're in the rear and in front. Just feel a lot better with those. I don't like the cantilever brakes. Got a Shimano 7-speed and rear brake integrated. Just some generic other one on the left side. You can see this emblem here. This stem came off a Schwinn. I believe those handlebars also were from a Schwinn donor bike. Seat post, I believe, is the one that came with the bike as well. The seat is from a donor bike. A bit of a pretty soft gel fill. It's pretty comfortable. Bottle cage also from a donor bike. You can see it says Nishiki here, right there. So this is definitely a bike that I've reworked over the last 12 months. This was a Facebook find. I want to say I got this one for 25 bucks originally. It had bad tires on it. Cantilever brakes that left a lot to be desired. Crappy torn up seat. Handlebars were way too slammed. And like I mentioned, the triple crank definitely had a lot of wear and tear. So that's what I'm running today. And as you can see, all my bikes are not blue. Haha. Do have a couple different color ones. Actually didn't realize how many blue bikes I had until that comment was left there by Randy. Shout out to him. I'm not sure if I'm going to make any more changes to this bike. I think eventually I'll get a Holotech for the bottom bracket. I just like the Holotech so much better. But this group set definitely gives me enough climbing ability for the type of riding I do. Let me know what you think. Should I change anything? What do you recommend?